Hello everybody, I'm teacher Sabah. Today I'm going to talk with you about tips to memorize new words. Have you ever worried about how to memorize words? Have you tried to memorize a word over and over and over again, but it just won't stick at all? You put lots of effort into getting one short sequence of letters into your brain, and for some reason it just goes in one ear and out of the other. Today I want to share with you some tips for memorizing words so that they can get you to the top of the mountain of the words easily. Number 1, word networking. Sometimes a single word can have many different meanings. If you look at the word separately, maybe you will give the wrong meaning. So we have to read the word in a context and try to understand its meaning through context. For example, consider the word season. If you hear this word season alone and try to understand its meaning, maybe you will say it's a part of a year or a period of time in a year, like winter or summer or fall or autumn. But look at this sentence. The first 2 seasons of the show. Does this word seasons here means winter or summer? No. It means a set or sequence of related television programs, a series. Another example, when we say season the soup to taste with salt and pepper. Here the word season means what? Add salt, herbs, pepper, or other spices to food. So as we can see, we have to understand the word through context. When you write down a word, never write it down by itself. Instead, write down a full sentence in which it appears along with a definition. When you learn a new word along with other similar words that often appear alongside it, you create a sort of word network in your mind. And you can also create an image in your brain. Tip number 2, related words. If you just learned the word care, don't stop there. Use a dictionary to find something called derivatives of that word and expressions that use it. For example, when we say careful, carefree, careless, take care. As you can see, you started with one word but quickly learned 4 more, and because their meaning is related, it is easier to understand and remember what each one means. Tip number 3, listening and reading. As we all know, we have 4 skills in learning a foreign language: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. When we learn new words, we have to include these 2 skills together, listening and reading. So beginner learners have 2 major challenges to overcome. You have to learn to read symbols, and at the same time you have to learn to identify sounds so that you will know the correct pronunciation of this written word. So listen while you read and read while you listen. Tip number 4, break words apart. Words can be easiest to remember when you break them apart and look at the meaning of the resulting pieces. For example, newspaper. If we divide this word into 2 parts, news and paper, it will be easy for you to understand the meaning of this new word. Doorbell, door plus bell. Spaceship, space and ship. Tip number 5, repetition, and this is very important. Try to reread or review the words over and over and over again. Tip number 6, note-taking. An easy way to keep all of your important vocabulary safe, even during times you can't remember. All you need to do is take notes. Tip number 7, use or lose, and this is the final stage. If we don't use the learned new words, for sure you will lose them. Use your new words as often as possible. Use new vocabulary words in your daily conversation, in your writing, and at any other opportunity you have. Finally, we can say in short the 7 tips again. Number 1, word networking, and try to understand the meaning of the word through context. Related words. Reading and listening, break words apart, repetition, note-taking, use or lose. If you follow these 7 tips, for sure you will not forget your new words. Thank you. Bye.